welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we're going to be unboxing. I know I said that I did not. I'm not going to post, but kind of going to. So I'm going to be unboxing this box I got from Walmart. It's $20 and you get 24 fidget toys inside of it. So I'm going to go ahead and open all of this. And then before we do this, I have a challenge for you. If you can like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a video in just 5 seconds. Are you guys ready? Because here goes the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. So if you guys did that, good job. I'm so proud of you. And well, let's get into the video. So see, I can even open up the box. So first at the top we have this mini poppet. It was opened already. One of my little cousins wouldn't open up something, so I let her open it, but I put it back in the wrapping. First we have this mini poppet. I'm gonna go ahead and get out everything that's open. This bike chain. It's big and it's like really easy to flip. Yeah. And then there's a wacky truck somewhere. I don't know. I have a wacky truck. So next we're gonna open up this Rubik's Cube. I opened this one, guys. I know already, but here's the Rubik's Cube I got. Yeah, Rubik's Cube. Next, she got one of her own too. She just didn't want it. She wasn't allowed to open it in here, but. Next, so I got this pita popper. It's really good, actually. I was determining on getting this or a bunch of other fidgets at Walmart. I just had another with it, but one of my aunts said, it's alright. Not really my ants, but you know. Next, okay, we're going to be opening up some marble meshes. I don't have that many, so I'm actually very excited. Okay, number 1 is the green one. Oh, there's a string compartment. Number 2 is this blue one. Number 3 is this pink one. 3 marble meshes. Next, I'm going to go ahead and open up the monkey nose. I don't think I have a purple one. So purple, blue. This is actually very good for only $20. Green, yellow, orange, and pink, and stretch. So that's my monkey noodles I got. Next, how about I open these mochis? I'm so excited about the sun. I don't think I have any of these. Maybe I have one. I'm so excited about the sun. I'm so excited. It's a little sun mochi. It's so stinking cute. Tell me if you guys can see it. Yep. Oh, it's the sun. So cute. Next. I have an elephant, but it does not look this real. The elephant is sitting up on its bottom. I love it. We got an elephant in the sun. Wait. Elephant's riding on the sun, guys. Next. I think it's a piggy. It is smart. I'm Purple Pig. And last one, it's a bunny. These are so cute. I love it. It's like a sun and then a couple of animals. It's a lot of new emojis to add to my collection. Next, we're gonna open this. One of my little cousin come on asking to open up this. I'm like, let's wait till the video. She is not here right now. But yeah. So it's slime. I thought it would be like a putty, but it's slime. Oh. I thought this would be like a putty. No, this is slime. Oh my goodness. I did not know that. I actually would think it would be like a putty type and an egg. That surprised me. Well, oh sorry, I just got back from church, by the way. That's why I'm in these clothes. Wow, that one's open. How about we open up this one? I'm so excited about this one. This one's probably my favorite. Oh my gosh, guys. Now I know it's slime. Oh! Look how cute this slime is. All these little fruits. Oh. Adorable. Next one, we're going to open up this one. It's, alright guys, give your guess what it is. You're right. If you guessed the water timer, you were right. It's like a Valentine's Day water timer. Look at that. So cute. These are my favorite. Wait, wait. First, we're going to open up this. It is, I'm pretty sure, a color changing Neato. I was going to get one, but then I'm like, why don't I get this pack? Because it has one. Oh. It's sticky too. I don't know if it's like Neato brand. I don't think it is Neato, but it's color changing and it looks like a Neato. Oh my gosh, guys. Amazing. I love it. Next, this mesh ball. I got two, but one of them is different than this one. I changed the purple. I don't have a big mesh ball. Mine busted. Next one. This is the one I'm excited about. I've wanted one of these for a long time. Ah! Yes. Oh, everyone. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. My heart's literally racing right now. Guys, I never had one before, and I am glad this is my first one. It's so cool. Yeah. Well, guys, I would say this is a success of my haul. We got 24 new fidgets added to the collection. Can't wait to add these, especially this one, and another color changing one, and these putty slimes, and all of this stuff. I do not have a water timer. I had one, and then I'm pretty sure I lost it or I traded it. I just love water timers, so yes. I'm a big fan of everything I got. I'm so grateful that I got this. So guys, please do me a huge favor, like I said in the front of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on that notification button so you'll get notified every time I post a video. And well, I think this may be my last time posting for like a month. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!